This is the Blockbuster Suite at the Hobbs Plaza in Hobbs, New Mexico. I'm looking out the front, and over this way you see Long John Silver's, and over toward the other side there's a bank. But anyway, this is the front of the store, and as you can see, it's got kind of the mirrors that are angled up top that Blockbuster put in. And you can see you've got basically your ceiling tiles and a lot of tiles down and a lot of insulation stacked up over here. And as you look around, there's that mirrored column that's there, and it's basically covering a load-bearing support beam, which is basically looks like about an 8-inch pipe. And I've marked kind of where the pipe's at to give you a perspective. This side over here has the raw studs and the sheetrock that's the H&R Block put up to make a wall so they could do that. Those are actually 2x6 studs, it looks like. And then as I pan around, you'll notice that they've got the storefront material to make sort of a breezeway as you walk in. And you can see that a little bit better. So they've got a breezeway there and got a little bit of sheetrock up top, and of course the Blockbuster mirror is there also. And then you'll notice that they've taken one of the aluminum panels out and robbed it and used it for something else, I guess. And there's one of the doors. And then as we go along, you'll see they've got a counter still there and more storefront, a wall, and then here's the other side of the doorway. Alright, and then I've got a tape measure stretched out the distance of the place, and it's basically 64 feet. We're at about 36 feet where I think the pole is in the room. Let me see if I can get, if you can see inside there. There's a support beam in there about 36 feet, somewhere in there. I think it's probably pretty close to this as far as from the front of the building, which is the edge of the storefront, the inside edge of the storefront. And then as we go to the back, you'll notice that it's got a door, and this is a fire door, and outside that door is a hallway that leads past a few more stores and then to the parking lot. And then on this side you've got the H&R Block door, and so basically you need to have a wall that's going to go. I've got a little piece of metal there, and that's at the 64-foot mark. That wall is right there, and you'll need to build a wall that'll go across over here. And then they've got H&R Block's electrical panel there, and that's the back side of it you're looking at now. But you'll need to build a wall that'll stretch across, and then you'll need to have a door right here somewhere that will allow people to access that fire door. And this pipe brings us up to about 64 feet. Okay. Then, all right, from the storefront, this is the front wall that's between the side of the doors. This wall sticks out to about 1.5 feet, and then it stretches for about it stretches 1.5 feet into the building, and then goes to about 8 feet, 8.2 feet. And then